Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to explain the science behind how the Aztec clay mask can provide maximum hydration on your natural hair and how to do so. So to start off, as mentioned, I am going to use the Aztec Healing Clay mask to hydrate my hair, and to this clay I am going to add apple cider vinegar and some water. The Aztec clay mask consists of 100% bentonite clay, and this clay is negatively charged, so it attracts positively charged components like dirt or dandruff or product residue, and that is why this clay mask is also great for cleansing your hair, so it can be replaced with a cleansing shampoo. It's also important to note that the bentonite clay has a pH between 8 and 9, meaning it's alkaline, and because of that it helps to open up the hair cuticles. So that's great for low porosity hair, since those hair cuticles tend to be shut. The apple cider vinegar is great for the elimination of dandruff as well due to its antifungal properties. The apple cider vinegar also reduces frizz and it causes less tangles because it's a mildly acidic product. And this is also more relevant for high porosity hair, since the acid helps in shutting down the open hair cuticles high porosity hair tends to have. Knowing this information is important because it is going to determine how you can use the Aztec clay mask in the best way, and I'll be showing you that next. If you are interested in learning about the science behind all different kinds of natural hair related stuff, be sure to subscribe because I'm doing a series on this subject on my channel. I have already detangled my hair beforehand and I am now putting the clay mask on my hair. And since I have low porosity hair, I mix the clay with warm water and just a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, since I'll be concentrating on opening up my hair cuticles, and the bentonite clay does a great job in that. If you have high porosity hair, you want to add more of the apple cider vinegar to the clay mix because that will shut your hair cuticles. And as you can see, I'm raking the clay mask through my hair, making sure every strand is covered. Now that my hair is covered in the mask, it's time to add my deep conditioner. I know most people deep condition after they have rinsed off the clay mask, but I like to put the deep conditioner on top of the mask, since this is the time my hair cuticles are going to be opened up the most because of the bentonite clay. After letting the mask and deep conditioner do its work for a time you think is fit, it's time to rinse it out. If you have high porosity hair, it's best to rinse your hair with cold water to help shut down your hair cuticles. As you can see, after rinsing my hair, the clay mask has given my hair new life, leaving it shiny, moisturized and soft to the touch. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and until next time.